Okay, you're welcome. Let's take a look at this question on longitude and latitude. Now we have these two towns, P and Q, lies on the equator and their longitudes are 55 degree east and 90 degree east. Find the distance between P and Q along the great cycle. Please take this, what you will note here is this great cycle. Anytime you see this great cycle, take note of that. If this great cycle, the way you solve it is different from the way you will solve when you see small cycle. Small cycle. Another word they use for small cycle that external exam use for small cycle to confuse students is along parallel of latitude. So if you see along parallel of latitude, that is parallel of latitude, just know that I'm talking about small cycle. But since we are dealing with great cycle, let me show you on how to solve this now. How to solve with great cycle. Please, whenever you're given and you see this great cycle, look at what you do. This is the formula. Formula is the distance is equal to theta divided by 360 times 2 pi r. We use capital letter r for that. And now this r is 6,400 kilometers. Take note, is that theta is 22/7 if you're not given. Now, how do we get this angle? This is called the angular difference. Now, how do we get angular difference? Please just take note also. Anytime they fall in the same side, east, subtract, south, subtract. Are you getting me now? Not north. But if they fall in opposite side, you add. So to get the angular difference, since they're in the same side, what do? The angular difference becomes 90 minus 55, which is 35 degrees. So what do you do to get the distance along? Look at the distance now. D becomes equal to, what is the angle? 35 divided by 360 times 2 times, what is pi? 22/7 times, what is the arrow? Are you seeing it now? So what do? You multiply all the numerator, you divide it by the denominator to get your answer. So if it is for small cycle, the way we solve it is different. In my next class, I'm going to solve small cycle. I told you, if you're not giving it as small cycle, if they don't mention small cycle, what the external exam normally use to confuse students, they use along parallel of latitude. They will ask you to calculate the distance or find the distance along the parallel of latitude. Immediately you hear along the parallel of latitude, just know that they are talking about small cycle. So we are coming to that. That will be in my next class. But for this now, this times this divided by this, you get answer, divided by this, you get answer. You write it in kilometer. That is the answer for this. You write your answer in kilometer. That will be your answer. So see you in my next class. Thank you.